frames, they work just fine. I'm going to take these three out to dump them in there, but first I want to show you another method that works very well, especially when it's cool. 3 pounds of bees. This is the queen cage right there, can of syrup. Slide that on, so bees are in there eating all night. Queens are all marked this year.
Oh, they're marked? Oh, there's a blue dot on it. The window in and look, I want you to see the
Did you see it?
It cost you $1.50. You might not like it in there as well.
I might not.
First method, make sure you get this screen this way, not against the frame. That way the bees can get at it. You gotta turn this thing.
Is that photo okay, Terry?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, as long as they...
Queen's in there. Bees are going to go down there where that queen's at.
Well, I heard something about spraying the bees with honey water.
Okay, we're going to come to that.
Okay.
There it is.
There's one way.
That's all done.
And you leave the opening. You're not blocking them in.
No, they can come and go whenever they want.
Oh, okay.
The only time you block that opening is usually in the fall. The yellow jackets are going after them.
Oh,
And just close it down to
to the...
something like that.
Okay.
Just lay any little stick or put some gravel up there or whatever. Okay, the other method, we're gonna shake them. Who's collecting fees? This is part of R&R Honey Farms, Brandon Hodges, who bought my business.
Oh, cool. So when we're being shown 2 different ways of putting this package.
Here again, make sure that hole is sideways. Queen in there. Now I'm going to put the bees in there.
More gentle.
Notice they're not attacking or anything. You don't have to be afraid of them. Get most of them out.
They're not established.
What about the marshmallow that they said to put in the hole or...
It's got a cork in it.
I would not. If I take that cork out, that queen's going to come out.
Right. So
I
you
would-
have the screen facing this way then?
Yes, I have a
Okay.
little plug that you can put in there.
Uh-huh.
I would leave them
Okay.
just like that for 3 days
Without,
until
okay.
they get used to that queen.
Okay, okay.
And 3 days later, come back and pull the plug out, just put it back in there. She'll come out. Don't let her fly away, or she will fly away.
So is it better to put the marshmallow in the hole and let them
Well, you
eat
can
through
do
it?
that if you want to do that first.
Okay.
Right now.
Yeah.
Pull that plug up. Put your thumb over it. Queens don't sting.
Okay, okay.
It's okay. Remember, don't
They won't
bat
sting
at
you.
it.
They'll
Bat
sting
at
another
it.
queen.
Okay.
All
Okay.
you gotta watch is
Yeah.
tongue right
Sure.
there.
That hurts.
They will climb up your clothes with your pant leg, but normally they're not aggressive. These guys will all look around, find these guys down here smelling the queen, and move right in. back this evening, dusk, pick it up, take it wherever you want to take it.
After they're in.
Or if you're at home where you're,
I would be on the yellow.
it's best
okay.
to do
He's just
that.
wondering if you're something he can eat.
Put it wherever you want to keep it.
Collect pollen off of your ear.
So if we don't shake them out, if we just turn the box over and put the second box on,
That's funny.
do we?
The same thing. Put the marshmallow in the queen, or come back 3 days later and pull the plug.
Okay, okay. Okay, but do we want to leave 2 boxes on all the time, or?
No.
Okay, just 1 box until they fill it.
Leave it singly like this until this box is full.
Okay, okay,
When this is full, you're gonna come back in a week. I'd feed them another gallon of syrup.
okay.
Back, and it'll
Okay.
take 4 or 5 weeks for the fill this, draw out that foundation. It's all new stuff.
Okay, okay.
If you got some old
So
stuff,
really not, so don't really mess with them then after you've got your, so they've got syrup. I've got pollen patties I can put on the top. And then they've got what they need.
they probably won't look at your pollen patty now because there's lots
I
of
know,
stuff out there.
I know.
But that's okay. I mean, keep it for next year. If they don't eat it, you put your honey supers on, pull it out, and
Okay,
put it
okay,
back in next year.
okay,
Next fall.
okay, okay.
Any other questions?
I don't want to take
If
that
I do,
one.
if you what?
I said that's the one I don't want to take.
If I do this, I usually put the syrup in there. You can put it in the feeder. These guys have nothing to eat. I recommend keeping your frames tight.
So
Yes.
the honeycomb is not enough. They also need the sugar.
Well, you're not going to have a honeycomb more than likely. Unless you got lots of bees like I. Zach can rob one from him.
Well, my hives all died, but I have lots of honey left in the dead hives. So I'll put one in. But
One
you
herd put a couple, 3 frames of honey in there.
okay.
And instead of using new comb, use old comb. You know, that way they can clean it up and
Start
clean it up.
laying.
As soon as she comes out, she'll go right to laying.
But still put sugar water in, no matter what.
Yep.
Okay.
I would get them going.
How soon do we need to install the packages? Can we wait till tomorrow? Or?
Yeah, you can wait till tomorrow. They'll keep a couple, 3 days. I hate to keep them too long. They tend to start seeing dead bees in the bottom. Right now, they just put these in.
So you wouldn't do it right now. You'd wait till this afternoon when it
Yeah,
got
it's
a little bit.
warmer.
Yeah.
But you leave this set here, they'll all fly right out, and they'll clean all that syrup out of the can.
Awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's too easy.
Put this